Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the DeWalt Laser Level, and if you are in the market for a laser level, this one might be something to look at. Now you can see it comes inside this nice carrying case, very strong and durable with two clips that lock into place. Just opening it up here, this is everything you get inside the box. Quick manual, your laser level right here, an extra clamp or clip that you can use here. We'll talk about that later, and then 3 AA batteries. So taking a closer look at this DeWalt laser level, first off, this is the DW088 model. It's a self-leveling cross-line laser that's going to provide you with a red beam that can be either shot in a horizontal line like this, or a vertical line like this, or the cross beam, as I mentioned just a second ago. Works very well. It's super easy to use. 2 buttons to turn it off and on. You have your 3 AA batteries at the bottom, a mounting bracket here. So if you do want to mount it up to a tripod, it's there. You also have 2 magnets on the back here, so you can connect this up to corner bead, door hinges, or pretty much anything metal. The bracket itself is also very adjustable. It kind of goes all the way around the whole laser level, which makes it perfect. And it does have some resistance to it, so it's going to stay in place. That's something I was looking at with some of the other models. It wasn't as steady. It kind of moved around a little bit, and if you did kind of hit it, it would be off. But this one seemed to have a little bit of resistance in the mechanism here. I also really liked how durable this particular laser level was from some of them that I looked at. All around all the edges here, you can see there's a black rubberized finish. So if you do bang this into anything or even drop it from somewhat of a lower height, it shouldn't damage it at all. The plastic on the hinge here is very solid and strong as well. And what I really liked is that this is actually IP54 rated, which means it's dust and water resistant. So if you are in a more professional setting or in a very dusty setting, maybe you're doing tiles or drywall, you can rest assured because you do have that IP54 rating for dust and water. Now, as for usability, this is great for pretty much any application. If you're installing cabinets, hanging pictures, laying tiles, or even doing flooring, it's going to work really well for you. The laser is visible up to 50 feet away, so if you are working in really large spaces or settings, it shouldn't give you any trouble. As for the accessory here, it works really well. Metal on one side, so if you do need to connect this up, boom, just like that. Really strong magnet. Like, I'll do this, but I wouldn't recommend it. You can see I'm pulling and it's actually flexing the hinge or the connector at the top here. So it is strong. You'd want to pull it down from the top, obviously, but you do have options here. So you can connect it using a screw on a wall. And then you also have a little clip here. So if you need to clip it to anything as well, it'll give you that versatility at the same time. So in the end, what led me to purchase this over any other that I looked at was the IP54 rating, very big in my mind, and also how durable it was all around. But I really like the fact that it's so versatile, reliable, and easy to use. 2 buttons to turn it on and off and use the features, 3 AA batteries, which are so easy to find and they last such a long time. And I really like the bracket on the back. I felt like it was stronger, and in terms of its versatility, easier and more reliable. So if you are in the market for a laser level, definitely check out the DeWalt. If you're invested in the DeWalt ecosystem, you have tons of DeWalt tools, this might be a great one to pick up.